What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, we need to talk about the entire crypto market because the market is kind of confusing, and people are always wondering why we're seeing the crypto market fall so much. And you got to look at other markets that are out there, and typically we see other markets really move separately. And I've talked about this previously. I've talked about the fact that institutions and big money are really taking over the game when it comes to cryptocurrency. And it could be a bad thing for the normality of things and the normal movement of cryptocurrency, the patterns that we're used to, the seasons that we have. I don't know if we can expect the same seasons that we've seen in the past with all of this big money that's influencing the entire market, which is pretty interesting to me. So, before we dive into this, we're going to dive into where the market is right now. We're going to dive into where my portfolio is right now. And then we're really going to get into exactly why we're seeing this movement, which I kind of already explained, just more in an for you guys to understand a little bit more. Maybe I could break it down a little bit more. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel quite a bit. We have a bunch of different links for many different referral stuff, or you can join my Discord groups, whether it's my personal Discord group or the Shiba Inu Discord group, which I have been spending more time with. Also, follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. You can find that link down there, and any other social medias that you see over there. So, anyways, let's talk about the crypto market because, again, crypto market not looking solid right now. The overall market is down significantly after seeing positivity this morning. I come back to my desk and things just look like, I don't know, they washed everything in red dye because everything is just ridiculously red. And I don't know what happened. It's like usually when you see stuff like this, the Fed opened their mouth, and maybe that was the case. I haven't really checked into it, but I know for a fact that institutions drive a lot of this negativity. So, before we go ahead and get into that, before we get into the breakdown as to why, let's go into what the market actually looks like and my portfolio. So first, let's start with the market. We're going to see if we look over a crypto or a coin market cap, we're going to see that we're at a 5.5 or almost 5.6% decrease over the entire market. That's a crazy decrease for the entire market. $1.76 trillion. $1.76 trillion market cap we are at right now after seeing that at a level of like 2.18 trillion. So really it increased slightly and showed a little bit of positivity, a little bit of hope that we've seen over like the past maybe like 3 weeks or so. But then we've started seeing that decrease as of late, and it's not looking good. It's not solid. A lot of people just hate this. We see it over 2 trillion. We're like, yeah, this bull run is going to start, and then it doesn't. Then it ends up falling a hell of a lot more, and it just doesn't look good for us. Now, if we look at Bitcoin's dominance, that hasn't really changed at all. It's slightly down 0.01% over the day, and you're looking at 41.11% dominance over the entire market, which again I think will change in a matter of time. But if we scroll down here and look at other coins, like I guess in the top 25, we're going to see Bitcoin is down about 5% over the last 24 hours, 7% over the last, or 7.6% over the last 7 days. Ethereum is down 5.8% over the last 24 hours, 8% or 8.5% over the last 7 days, seeing that decrease more than Bitcoin. Never really a good thing. I would love to see the flipping happen, but some people don't want to see that. Binance is down by 4.3% or 8% over the last 7 days. You're going to see Solana that's down by 3.5%, XRP that's down by 5.3%, Terra Luna is down by 7%. You're going to see Dogecoin down by 12%. Now that did pump because of the whole Elon situation, with him buying Twitter and everything. I know that Dogecoin is a big part of that, so Dogecoin definitely was going to see some sort of a pump, and it did. But now you're seeing that pump, but also a decrease to that pump, down 12% on the day, one of the largest drops for the day. You're going to see that Avalanche is down by 5%, Polkadot's down by 7%, Shiba Inu's down by 8%. You're going to see Polygon that's down by 7%. So, and Cronos is down by about 4.7%. So, things are definitely decreasing. And the Cosmos that I bought, I didn't expect it to drop this low. So, that's crazy. I did get word that there was another APY that was offering like close to 100% APY, which is never a good sign. If I ever see a coin that's offering 100% APY, after, you know, previously offering like 5% or 10%, like I'm staking it for 15%. If you see it at 100% APY, it's usually a red flag, meaning that there may be a lot of dilution or something's going on with the coin that we know is going to decrease in value. So they're offering staking to make up for that. So that's crazy to see Cosmos at that low of a price at $20 after buying in at $23. So I'm down $3 on every Cosmos coin that I hold, which is pretty crazy. That's really the top 25. The last thing rounding that out is Bitcoin Cash, sitting down about 5.5% or 11.76% over the last 7 days. So obviously the markets are not going great. If we look at my portfolio, I'm at about $16,398.33. This comes, you know, after making that large burn for Shiba Inu for the Let It Burn channel. So I took all of the amount that I had in there and burned that off. And that was about 71 million coins that I burned off. Wasn't able to use the burn portal because the burn portal went live one day after I I did my burn, which, you know, okay, that's fine. But you know, that's where my account is sitting at. You're going to see that everything is really down besides ApeCoin. ApeCoin is actually looking positive because it's up. It's up about 1% or 3/4%. But you're up to $18.04, which is great. You know, I'm still up to $922. Krill coin for me is down to 78 cents, which is an interesting buy for me. I might end up buying more because I said I wanted to hold 10,000 as a whole. So if I can hold 10,000, that would be great. If it comes down to 50 cents, I would be happy. My nose itches so much. It's bothering the hell out of me. It's probably because of these allergies. So I need to finish up this video. So ultimately, if we're looking at this, the thing we really want to focus on is understanding, you know, why this is really happening. And in my opinion, I think this is happening because it's actually tying to, you know, sort of the stock market, where you see the stock market down quite a bit. You could see all the markets really not functioning in the right direction. You could see a couple of things moving, but you see the markets not looking positive. Everything is red. A lot of things are red. Tech is red. Just a ton of things are not looking positive here. And I think with institutions having a large control or a large stake of crypto, that's probably why you see a lot of this negative movement. Now, this is just speculation. There may be some more information that come into it, but obviously Bitcoin really runs a lot of things. Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything really runs through like the top 25. So if the top 25 are heavily negative, you're going to see the top 1,000 be extremely negative. So anyways, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Let me know what you think about the market. I don't know why my nose is itching so much. It's one of those days. But yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out all the links down below. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.